This is a practice test for digital SAT math. The topic is geometry and trigonometry, and this is a medium level test. We got 10 problems, so let's take a look. What is the measure in degrees of the angle QRS in the figure shown? QRS, so that is this angle right here. Where's Q? Yeah, QRS. All right, well, we can do that with a trig function. So this angle, we have the adjacent angle, we have the hypotenuse, we have the information that it is a right angle. So what would that be? The cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. 5 radical 5 over 10 radical 5 is 1/2. The radical 5's cancel. 5 over 10 is 1/2. And if you've taken a little trigonometry, you know that that 1/2 is the cosine of a 60-degree angle. So we're going to go 60 here. Let's scream for ice cream. Serves 3 scoops of ice cream in its signature cone. Each scoop is a sphere with a radius of 4 centimeters. To the nearest cubic centimeter, what is the total volume of ice cream served per cone? Okay. All right, 3 scoops of ice cream, radius of 4 centimeters. We need a calculator for this. All right. Let's go with, digital SAT will give you a calculator. In fact, the digital SAT will also give you formulas for things like the volume of a sphere. Although it didn't give it to us here, but so it's 4/3 pi r cubed. Let's say 4/3 pi times r cubed. That was r cubed. 4 was the radius. And if we cube it, we've got 268. But that's one cube. And there's 3 cubes. So let's multiply the whole thing times 3. Now we've got 804. All right, let's go back and look at this one more time. 3 scoops. 4 centimeters, total volume of ice cream, 804 to the nearest cubic centimeter, 804. All right. Okay. Circle O. A central angle of 30 degrees intercepts minor arc AC as shown in the figure. If AC has a length, of pi over 6 centimeters, what is the value of x? All right. Well, it looks like a unit circle, but 30 degrees, we've got pi over 6 centimeters. So if we wanted to get the entire circumference of the circle, we would have to multiply it times 12. All right, so 12 times pi over 6 is 2 pi. That is the circumference of this circle. pi is the ratio of the circumference to the diameter. So the diameter is going to be 2, and the radius is going to be, the radius is going to be 1. Put that, I got to turn, I'm sorry, I got to turn that off. I can't draw and write at the same time. All right, x plus 4 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 25. The given equation represents a circle in the xy plane. If negative 4y is a point on the circle and y is greater than 0, what is the value of y? All right, the given equation represents a circle in the xy plane. If negative 4y is a point on the circle and y is greater than 0, what is the value of y? All right. Well, so the equation of a circle is x minus k squared plus y minus h squared equals r squared. R is the radius. K and h are the x and y coordinates of the center. So in this case, the center of the circle is at negative 4, negative 2. All right. Let me try and draw this. We've got a circle. It's not very good. Here's the center. It's not a very good point. Let's zoom in on this a little bit. The center of the circle would be negative 4 negative 2. All right. The radius of the circle, and I guess we could probably zoom back out again. The radius of the circle is 5. We know that because that's the radius squared. So, negative 4 something is a point. So, y is greater than 0. So, if negative 4 is going to be a point on the circle, we just got to go straight up 5 units, which would take us to negative 4, 3. Negative 4, 3. Okay. Do we have to fill that in, or okay, you know what? I'm not even sure how they want that entered, but let's do it like this and say it's negative 4, 3. We couldn't understand your answer. All right, well, what if I took out, what's the value of y? I'm sorry. The value of y, sorry. What's the value of y? 3. Okay. If pi equals 240 degrees, what is the value of pi in radians? Okay, well, converting degrees to radians. Converting degrees to radians, 360 degrees equals 2 pi radians. So, 1 degree equals 2 pi over 360, or pi over 180. So 240 degrees is 240 times pi over 180. 240 over 180, since they're divisible by 60, would be 4/3. I really just accidentally clicked that, but that is the right answer. It would be 4 pi over 3. Okay. What is the value of x in this figure? Well, it's a parallelogram. The top and bottom are the same length. The sides are the same length. Oh gosh, x. Oh, okay, it's asking for x. Well, you know what? I wonder if there's maybe a couple of ways to do this. No, really the way to do it is to just say, look, these are alternate interior angles. CD and AB are parallel. If you cut them with a transversal like CB, the alternate internal angles, internal meaning inside the parallel lines, are going to be the same. So if should have this pen ready all the time. If this is 57, then this is also 57. All right, let's put that in. 57. The Plaza Mayor is a rectangular public space in Madrid. The Plaza Mayor measures 124 meters from east to west, 94 meters from north to south. Which of the following best approximates the shortest distance in meters between the northeast corner and the northeast and the southwest? Okay. Well, it's a Pythagorean theorem, so it's the square root of 124 squared plus 94 squared. Let's do the calculator. 124 and 94. Okay, that over. Let's say 124 squared plus 94 squared, and take the square root. And what did I do wrong there? Well, let me put the parentheses first. And then take the square root of the whole thing. Oh boy. Well, all right, forget it. We'll do it a different way. 124 squared plus 94 squared. So it's closest to like 156. Do we have a number that's close to like 156? 156? Yes. All right. Let's go with that. Okay. What is the value of x? Can we just do one of these? It's alternate interior angles. It is where's the pen? Why can I not get a pen here? I don't know. You know what? Let me just get the Khan Academy pen. All right. It is this 52 and 52 alternate interior angles. Can I write with this? No, I can't. I got to turn it off. All right. 52. All right. The circle shown has a sector with area 15 pi, central angle of 216. What is the area of the circle? Okay. This is not a great question. The area, obviously, you know, if the area of the shaded region is 15 pi, then the area of the whole circle needs to be something greater than 15 pi. And they've only offered us one answer that's greater than 15 pi, so let's just take it. A factory designed cylindrical cans 10 centimeters in height to hold exactly 500 cubic centimeters of liquid. Which of the following best approximates the radius of these cans? All right, it doesn't give us the formula. And on the regular SAT, they should give you the formula for the volume of a cylinder. But let's just go ahead and volume equals pi r squared h. Now, what do we know here? Well, we know the volume. So the volume is going to be 500 equals pi r squared times 10. All right. And we want to solve for r. So let's divide both sides by 10 pi. We'll have 500 divided by 10 pi equals r squared. Now we need the square root of both sides. And now we need a calculator. Let's see. All right, let's do the 500 square root of 500 over 10 pi. Why is this square root of 500 over 10 pi? Let me exit that for a minute. I'm having a problem with this, with the frame here. Okay, let's try and go back here. Square root of 500 divided by 10 pi is very close to 4. 3.98. All right, let's go back here. That approximates the radius. Well, that would be this, 4. All right, that's 10 out of 10. Feel free to, thanks for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next time. I think that was the last medium level math test. There are 4 advanced level math quizzes, and we'll go through those as well. All right.